Hello. This is Dimitri with 3D Media. We're here at a cool job site where they're adding a massive warehouse to their existing building, and we're going to help them capture the process for them. We will install 2 time-lapse cameras to record the process for the next 4 months, and also record before and after, and even during construction, to make them a really cool video of the entire process. Tune in and see how it comes out.
We do everything, right? Your one-stop media partner. All right, come on, let's go.
Go. All the settings are set. We're ready for the next 4 months. No, actually, I'm afraid of heights, but I do whatever needs to be done.
That's cool. That's cool.